I brought my replica of the Armalite prototype serial number 2 to the range today. I used a Nodex spud upper and lower. I even have the Nodex spud repopped waffle magazines. Gun's never been fired. I'm using Tula, so hopefully it'll cycle, although Tula's a little underpowered. If you look at the rifle, these are M16 original handguards that were refinished to look like the original brown Bakelite. This is the prototype handguard, again refinished to look like brown Bakelite. It has the charging handle on the top, a chrome bolt, the early style flat dust cover. It also has no fences at all. And you'll also notice that this front pin isn't the standard M16 pin. This is a capture pin because there's no front fence to hold the detent. And the A1 style sights or the M16 style sights and the charging handle. And we're gonna, you come up front, we have the duckbill flash hider, the pencil barrel, and the early style M16/M14 sling. We'll give it a shot and see if it cycles. I'll have my son videotape me shooting it. As I said, this is the reproduction of the Armalite. I can't even sight it in because I didn't put a front sight in it. The other one has the front sight. I never got the second front sight. I'm just going to check it for cycle using the Nodex spud magazines. Locked open like it was supposed to. Now we use a factory Colt magazine. Locked open like it was supposed to. So I'd say the gun's a success. I'll put a front sight on it. I have to get the original 5-point front sight. That's why there's no front sight in it. And I have myself a reproduction prototype Armalite serial number 2.